I have three cameras going: an iPhone 10, a GoPro Hero 8, and a DJI Osmo action camera, and a low light shot. And here I have is a controller that fell, and I use one of the best sprays around I know of, CRC QD electronic cleaner. I'll put a description down below where to get this on Amazon by clicking the affiliate link. I clean it just like that. It takes about a minute to dry. Now I'm going to try to figure out how to put this back together. It looks all clean. I am going to spray the end of the rubber as well. And that's all I need to spray, not much. I simply just do like a IQ test. I line everything up. It looks good. Now, rather tilting over the rubber, this part here may come off out of the cradle, and I want to simply click it back together again. It's all clicked. A simple drop has basically taken everything apart. Now, I didn't do the terminals. Don't be afraid to get it on your hands. It'll be very, very, very cold. It's not good to get it on your hands. And I put everything back together again the way it's supposed to be. And then I simply can go test it out by turning on my TV set. Sometimes you'll be able to see the buttons pressing. There it is, it's working through the camera. Sometimes you can see the signal there. As you can see in the GoPro 8 is showing, the DJI Osmo is showing, and the iPhone, I can't see it showing. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. Turn my TV set on. It's not reaching it. There it goes, it's reaching it. Have a great day, everybody.